There are a great number of henges in Britain, with sources suggesting that there are nearly 100 of them dating from 2 to 3000 BC. Each of them locked in a survival at the mercy of Mother Nature. On this Neolithic site within the southern part of England, Dorset to be more precise, I am going to explore and share with you what I've found. Deep in the countryside of Dorset lies Knowlton Church. The surrounding earthwork itself is also said to be one of the great Neolithic and Bronze Age ceremonial complexes in the southern part of England. It was part of a prehistoric landscape with several henges and up to 100 burial mounds. And over time, in the 12th century, a medieval parish church was built at the centre of the circle. The surrounding earthworks at the church was believed to be a ceremonial site and was likely to fulfill other functions throughout its time. Yet, some sources suggest it was used as a place of worship, while others think it could have been used for defensive positions. The building appears to be simple when looking closer at the details. Yet, the earthworks is truly what set this site apart. An ancient structure with a lot of unknowns and speculations. The earthworks are also said to be a Neolithic monument that dates back to the Stone Ages. There are an additional 3 earthworks nearby according to sources. The old churchyard and the northern circle, both to the right of Church Henge. The church is listed as 12th century and said to be used upon the 17th century and of Norman origins. A Neolithic henge with a church is just a curious mixture, or perhaps it's just a symbol of transition from pagan to Christian worship. Knowlton Church and these earthworks are a historical site and continues to attract visitors and their imagination on a daily basis. And we have learned to appreciate the historical depth of this fascinating monument. If you have theories about the church, I'd love to hear them. And for now, I'll catch you on the next one. I'm out.